So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find perimeter of an object in a coordinate plane, okay? So this is a triangle, and remember, perimeter means you have to add the length of all the sides. So we're going to find perimeter. We have to add the length of all sides. Now on the graph, the easiest side to find the length of is this straight edge right here. Anytime you have a side that is straight and not slanted, just count the blocks starting at one point and ending at the other, and you'll have how long it is. So if I start here, so my starting point, I don't count yet. Once I start moving down, I'm counting each block because each block is one. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how I did that? So this length is 5 from this point to this point, okay? Now, over here, this length is slanted right here, and so is this length. So both of those two lengths are slanted. So I have to use the distance formula or Desmos to find those lengths. I'm going to use the distance formula because it's way easier, okay? So if you forgot how to do it, I'm going to show you. So right here in the distance formula, I have to put in, well, actually in Desmos, first type the word distance. Then I need a double parenthesis. And then I'm going to enter each point. So my points are -2, 4, and 3, 6. -2, 4, close parentheses, comma, new parentheses, 3, 6. And then Desmos gives me the distance right here, 5.38, all that jazz. So I'm going to round it to the nearest tenth. So I'm going to round that to 5.4. So this length right here is 5.4. Let me write that in. So this length is 5.4. And now I'm going to find my other question mark length, and that's from -2, 4, and 3, 1. These two endpoints, -2, 4, and 3, 1. So my distance formula, I got my -2, 4, and I'm going to type in 3, 1. And I have the same answer pretty much, 5.83, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to round that up to, actually that's 5.8. Round that to 5.8. So that length is 5.8. So down here I got 5.8. Let me go back for a minute and make sure I didn't mess up. But this is between -2, 4, and 3, 6. Just want to make sure I didn't mess up. So when it was 3, 6, yeah, it was 5.38. We rounded to 5.4. 3, 1. Okay, all right. Just making sure I didn't mess up. Okay, so now to find a perimeter, just add all three numbers. So in the calculator or by hand, you add 5.4 plus 5.8 plus 5. And I'm going to do it in my head. 12, carry the 1, and I got 16.2. So this is my perimeter. That's it.